And now I call to the stage Marie CAMBOT. Welcome, Marie. You're the CEO of INNOVHEM. It's a startup that focuses also on in vitro diagnosis and therapeutic development for the sickle cell disease, which is the most common genetic disease in the world.
Yes, thank you very much for that.
Yes, I do have good notes. The floor is yours.
Thank you. So, hello, everybody. So, thank you for the introduction. Yes, at INNOVHEM, our mission is to improve the medical care of sickle cell disease. So perhaps you know about sickle cell disease, perhaps you don't, but this is the most common genetic disease in the world, affecting around 5 million patients. Ça passe tout seul. The medical care is very complex, so expensive. It is estimated to cost around $1.5 million a year per patient in the US. And because there is a lack of curative treatments and a lack of diagnostic tools, life expectancy of the patients is still shortened by 30 years globally. So what we do at INNOVHEM is to develop unique diagnostic tools, and thanks to a combination of 3 innovative biomarkers on the top of standards, we developed algorithms with specific artificial intelligence in order to predict the evolution of the disease and to guide the physician to propose a personalized treatment and to avoid deleterious manifestation. Our first product will target pain crisis, which is the most common manifestation and the first cause of patient's death. So if today there is treatment that exists to prevent pain crisis, there is still no tool to predict their occurrence. So some of the benefits of our project are listed below. First, it will deeply improve the medical care of the patients. And because one of our goals is to reduce at least 20% of emergency room visits, it will save $300 million a year in the US. And above this, it will deeply improve life expectancy and quality of patients. So where we stand now, we already have signed for more than €1 million of contracts with industry leaders, and this helps us to build the scientific team and to develop the predictive algorithm in a retrospective study. So now we are about to start the validation study in a multicentric prospective study in France, and to extend this study to the US and to Africa, we need a $5 million financing. We anticipate to launch our first project for research use only by the end of 2024. This project is led by an expert team of scientists. I'm backed with a PhD and training in entrepreneurship, and Pablo Bartolucci had the biggest clinical unit for sickle cell disease in France. And we benefit from a network of KOL and leaders. Thank you very much.
I'll give you about a couple seconds more, just because your slides were acting a bit crazy. Do you have one more thing to say to our jury?
No, just if you want to come and join us to be part of this meaningful project, it will be a pleasure for us. Thank you.
Thank you very much.